Welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services, everybody. We are going to talk about Godrej Ananda again today with the price offered. Most probably in the coming next hour, they will soon open it. Tower number K, which they are not yet open for sale. So customers who are interested for the Jodi 3 BHK apartments, be ready for it. And as well as clients who are interested for a 2 BHK and 3 BHK normal apartment, those don't miss an opportunity. It's like opportunities won't wait. So if you're getting it, grab it. If you are interested in investing 2 and a 3 BHK, let it be a 2 BHK Jodi or a 3 BHK Jodi, don't miss an opportunity. So this area, people who invested in phase 1, specifically Ananda, yes, they have got good returns till phase 3. You can check with the existing investors who have invested within Godrej Ananda 1 and 2. They have got the taste of returns on the property value which they have invested. The values have gone high. The location is in Aerospace Park. Is the future development of, not the future, the developing location. Future means that becomes like might get developed or it might not get developed. That's how the question mark comes. But when I say developing, at present developments are happening. A lot of companies are moving, a lot of companies have started construction, a lot of companies already exist since last 5-6 years, from small scale industries, from the small IT companies to the larger companies to the large scale companies. Likewise, we also have the financial district, which is close by. So very soon that will also be operational. We'll be able to look at more employment opportunities from the residential area to the commercial zone. Those who are looking at our video, I think you might be confused like which area I'm talking about, what is this area. So we will be sharing the links of this KIADB Aerospace Park where 3,000 acre development is happening in Bangalore North. Almost before 11 kilometers before you have residential area, or just like 3-4 kilometers before airport you have the commercial zone entry and exit. There are a lot of entry exit for the land. Government is more planning to acquire land more than 3,000. It might cross 3,000 plus acres of land. All right. So you may reach us. The property starts from 64 lakh 99,000 rupees for a 2 BHK, 1,092 square feet, and then we have 1588 square feet 3 BHK, and then comes with a Jodi unit as well. We also have Jodi unit. The sample apartments are available for a viewing. You may visit the property. Don't miss an opportunity. Like as I said beginning of this video, opportunities won't wait. So if you're getting it, if you want it, if you have been waiting for a long time now, this is your chance. Invest it, get returns. Well, we are channel partners working with Godrej Properties in Bangalore, in Karnataka basically. Specifically in Bangalore, we are based in Bangalore. Well, you may reach us if you have any questions related to the project of Godrej Properties in Bangalore. Like if you are planning for a booking and you're willing to visit a site, don't forget to reach us. We'll be sharing a number. It's all about you get the benefit. We try our best to get you a good unit and the price, and we get the benefit from the developer. Thank you so much, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. Have a nice day.